Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a carefully curated list of 18 Amazon kitchen gadgets that are designed to make your cooking experience smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned chef, a busy parent, or someone who simply loves the joy of making meals at home, these innovative tools will help you struggle less, cook smarter, and maximize both efficiency and style in your kitchen. From clever prep tools to must-have appliances, each item is selected for its practicality, quality, and ability to transform your daily cooking routine. Number 1. Lodlife Food Warming Mat. The Lodlife Food Warming Mat is a game changer for anyone who enjoys meals at the perfect temperature. Designed to keep plates, bowls, and even small pots warm, this mat ensures that your food stays fresh from the stove to the table. The sleek, non-slip surface accommodates multiple dishes at once, and its energy-efficient design guarantees consistent warmth without overheating. Perfect for family dinners or meal prepping, this warming mat transforms your kitchen into a stress-free dining experience by eliminating the common struggle of cold food while serving. Number 2. Nuraturner Glass Teapot Tea Kettle. For tea lovers, the Nuraturner Glass Teapot Tea Kettle is a stunning combination of elegance and functionality. Crafted from heat-resistant borosilicate glass, it allows you to watch tea leaves unfurl, creating a calming visual while brewing the perfect cup. Its ergonomic handle and precision pour spout make serving effortless, while the removable infuser accommodates loose leaf tea or herbal blends. Beyond aesthetic appeal, this teapot is built for convenience, being dishwasher safe and easy to clean, making your tea routine both luxurious and practical. Number 3. Garuder Glass Pumpkin Teapot. The Garuder Glass Pumpkin Teapot adds a whimsical charm to your tea rituals. Inspired by a pumpkin design, this teapot combines sturdy glass construction with a comfortable handle and drip-free spout. Its compact yet generous capacity makes it ideal for personal use or small gatherings. With a removable infuser for loose leaves, herbal teas, or even fruit infusions, it's perfect for experimenting with flavors. Lightweight yet resilient, this teapot brings both joy and functionality to your kitchen, making tea time a visually delightful and convenient experience. Number 4. Huffa Towel Hooks. The Huffa Towel Hooks are deceptively simple but incredibly practical for kitchen organization. Perfect for hanging towels, oven mitts, or even lightweight utensils, these hooks maximize vertical space while keeping essential items within reach. Crafted from durable materials with a sleek, minimalist design, they blend seamlessly into modern kitchens. Easy to install and versatile in application, these hooks help maintain a clutter-free countertop while enhancing both efficiency and accessibility during cooking or cleaning tasks. Number 5. Smum1 Stainless Steel Oil Filter Pot. The Smum1 Stainless Steel Oil Filter Pot is an essential gadget for anyone who loves frying or reusing cooking oil. With its durable stainless steel construction and fine mesh filter, it efficiently strains oil, removing crumbs and impurities. Its ergonomic handle ensures safe pouring, and the heat-resistant design allows you to filter oil directly after cooking without burns or spills. Beyond keeping oil clean, this pot supports sustainability by prolonging oil life, reducing waste, and keeping your kitchen tidy, efficient, and safe. Number 6. Priority Chef Large 15-Ounce Potato Ricer. The Priority Chef Large 15-Ounce Potato Ricer is a versatile tool that simplifies one of the most tedious parts of cooking. With its durable stainless steel construction, it easily mashes potatoes, sweet potatoes, or even steamed vegetables into smooth, fluffy perfection. Ergonomic handles minimize strain on the wrists, making it suitable for anyone who wants consistent results without effort. Beyond potatoes, it can be used for purees, baby food, and certain baking applications. A small, thoughtful tool that delivers big results for any kitchen enthusiast. Number 7. Crockpot Portable Electric Lunchbox. The Crockpot Portable Electric Lunchbox is perfect for busy professionals or students who want freshly heated meals anywhere. With a compact, portable design and built-in heating element, it keeps food warm and ready to eat, eliminating reliance on microwaves. Its leak-proof construction and easy-to-clean interior make it ideal for travel, work, or picnics. Whether reheating leftovers, steaming vegetables, or enjoying soups on the go, this lunchbox offers unmatched convenience while promoting healthy home-cooked meals without compromise. Number 8. LQZ Cold Press Juicer. The LQZ Cold Press Juicer is a must-have for health-conscious individuals who enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich juices. Its slow cold press technology preserves enzymes, vitamins, and minerals, ensuring that every glass is packed with flavor and nutrition. The compact design allows it to fit seamlessly on any countertop, and the quiet motor ensures minimal disturbance. Easy to disassemble and clean, it's perfect for daily use. From fruits to leafy greens, this juicer makes healthy living simple, quick, and enjoyable, giving your kitchen a boost of functional elegance. Number 9. EmpStorm White Espresso Machine. The EmpStorm White Espresso Machine brings cafe-quality coffee to your home with style and simplicity. Featuring a sleek, modern design and intuitive controls, it allows you to pull espresso shots, froth milk, and prepare cappuccinos or lattes effortlessly. Compact yet powerful, it fits beautifully on any countertop without sacrificing performance. Its removable water reservoir, easy-to-clean components, and consistent brewing temperature ensure a reliable coffee experience every time. For coffee enthusiasts, this espresso machine elevates morning routines and provides a touch of luxury to everyday life. Number 10. Comfort Bamboo Fruit Basket. The Comfort Bamboo Fruit Basket brings both style and practicality to your kitchen. Its eco-friendly bamboo construction is durable and visually appealing, adding a natural touch to countertops or dining tables. The multi-tiered design maximizes storage while keeping fruit organized, ventilated, and easy to access. Perfect for apples, oranges, bananas, or any seasonal produce, this basket encourages healthier eating habits while reducing countertop clutter. Lightweight yet sturdy, it is both functional and decorative, enhancing the kitchen's aesthetic while keeping essentials within reach. Number 11. LifeWit Silverware Drawer Organizer. The LifeWit Silverware Drawer Organizer transforms cluttered drawers into neat, accessible storage spaces. With adjustable compartments and durable construction, it accommodates knives, forks, spoons, and even larger utensils. Its non-slip base keeps everything in place, reducing rattling or shifting during drawer movement. Installation is effortless, and the modular design allows customization for varying drawer sizes. Ideal for busy households, this organizer simplifies meal prep and cleanup by ensuring that tools are always easy to find, neatly stored, and hygienically separated. Number 12. Cook with Color Glass Olive Oil Bottle Dispenser. The Cook with Color Glass Olive Oil Bottle Dispenser is both stylish and practical. Designed to pour smoothly without drips, it is perfect for oils, vinegars, or other liquid condiments. The clear glass body allows you to monitor levels at a glance, while the secure spout prevents spills during use. Its sleek, modern design makes it a beautiful addition to any countertop or dining setup. Beyond aesthetics, it promotes efficiency in cooking, whether for salad dressings, sautéing, or drizzling, making every task simpler and more elegant. Number 13. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. The electric salt and pepper grinder set revolutionizes seasoning in your kitchen. With just a push of a button, it delivers freshly ground salt or pepper, eliminating manual twisting and uneven textures. Adjustable coarseness settings allow precise control, catering to a wide range of recipes and personal preferences. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while the transparent containers make refills simple and visible. Compact, battery-operated, and stylish, this set reduces prep time while enhancing flavor, giving you restaurant-quality seasoning effortlessly at home. Number 14. Crystal Brew Glass Simmer Pot. The Crystal Brew Glass Simmer Pot is a multifunctional tool that simplifies stovetop cooking. Crafted from heat-resistant borosilicate glass, it allows you to monitor cooking progress without lifting lids and losing heat. Ideal for simmering sauces, melting chocolate, or preparing delicate soups, the pot ensures even heat distribution while maintaining the integrity of ingredients. Its sturdy handles provide safe handling, while the elegant design complements any kitchen decor. This simmer pot combines beauty and functionality, making it an indispensable addition for precision cooking enthusiasts. Number 15. Fullstar Safer Mandolin Slicer. The Fullstar Safer Mandolin Slicer is a versatile gadget that transforms chopping, slicing, and julienning into a fast and safe process. With multiple blade options, it allows uniform cuts of varying thicknesses while minimizing the risk of accidents. The ergonomic design and handguard enhance safety during use, making it ideal for vegetables, fruits, and even cheese. Compact and easy to clean, this slicer accelerates meal prep and ensures professional-level presentation. For busy cooks or culinary creatives, It's a time-saving powerhouse that combines efficiency with safety. Number 16. Islite Life 11-inch Crepe Pan. The Islite Life 11-inch crepe pan is perfect for creating delicate crepes, pancakes, or flatbreads effortlessly. Its non-stick surface ensures smooth cooking and easy flipping, while the uniform heat distribution prevents burning or uneven results. Lightweight yet durable, the pan is comfortable to handle, making it ideal for home cooks of all skill levels. Beyond crepes, it works beautifully for omelets, tortillas, and other breakfast or snack items, offering a reliable, multifunctional solution that elevates everyday meals with minimal fuss. Number 17. LifeWit Rice Dispenser. The LifeWit Rice Dispenser is a kitchen essential for anyone who cooks rice frequently. With a gravity-fed mechanism, it ensures controlled, precise servings without mess or spillage. Its large capacity and transparent design allow you to monitor levels and store rice hygienically while keeping countertops tidy. Easy to use and clean, this dispenser streamlines meal prep, eliminates bag clutter, and maintains freshness. Ideal for both small kitchens and larger households, it's a functional tool that simplifies a staple task while keeping cooking organized and efficient. Number 18. 7-Code Large Dish Drying Rack. The 7-Code Large Dish Drying Rack maximizes countertop space while keeping dishes, glasses, and utensils organized as they dry. Its multi-tiered design accommodates plates, cups, bowls, and silverware, while the removable drip tray prevents water from pooling on counters. Constructed with durable, rust-resistant materials, this rack combines practicality with longevity. Foldable and easy to clean, it adapts to both daily use and occasional heavy-duty washing. For kitchens of any size, it ensures hygiene, reduces clutter, and provides a sleek, efficient drying solution. And there you have it, a complete collection of 18 innovative kitchen gadgets designed to help you struggle less and cook smarter. From warming mats to espresso machines, and from organized storage solutions to precision prep tools, each gadget on this list is carefully selected to enhance your cooking experience, save time, and bring joy to everyday meal preparation. What makes these gadgets truly special is how they combine functionality, safety, and design. The Lodlife Food Warming Mat ensures that your meals stay warm and inviting, while tools like the Priority Chef Potato Ricer or Full Star Mandolin Slicer reduce manual effort and make prep tasks faster and safer. Devices like the LQZ Cold Press Juicer and EmpStorm Espresso Machine bring premium quality beverages and nutrition directly into your home, empowering healthy habits and elevating everyday routines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share with friends who love cooking, and subscribe for more smart kitchen solutions and life-changing gadgets. Comment below which gadget you'd love to try first, or if you already use any of these in your kitchen. Your feedback helps us discover even more ways to cook smarter, live better, and enjoy every meal to the fullest. Stay tuned, because the world of innovative kitchen gadgets is constantly evolving, and we'll continue bringing you the best finds that combine practicality, style, and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and here's to making your kitchen a place of joy, creativity, and effortless cooking.